On July 27, 2007, two AS-350 AStar helicopters from television stations KNXV-TV and KTVK collided in mid-air over Phoenix, Arizona, while covering a police pursuit. On board the two aircraft were 4 people in total: pilot Craig Smith and photographer Rick Krolak from KNXV-TV, and pilot Scott Bowerbank and photographer Jim Cox from KTVK, all of whom were killed, while no casualties were reported on the ground. KNXV was the area's ABC affiliate, while KTVK was an independent news station, formerly an ABC affiliate itself. Both stations had switched their affiliations after longtime CBS affiliate KSAZ-TV affiliated with Fox in December 1994. The two helicopters were broadcasting a police pursuit live when the collision occurred at 12:46 and 18 seconds p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Both aircraft came down in the Steele Indian School Park, Central Phoenix. 3 other news helicopters from some of the city's other stations were in the area and within seconds began reporting on the crash. A photograph taken moments after the collision and showing both helicopters plunging towards the ground was circulated by AP. The collision was investigated by the National Transportation Safety Board, which concluded that the probable cause of this accident was both pilots' failure to see and avoid the other helicopter. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.